Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Tabel selamat lingun alatai. Salam sagit keren melempang. Adil kak talino, bacuramin ka surga, basangin kak jabata. Arus, arus, arus. Bagi yang belum kenal sama aku, perkenalkan kembali, namaku Muhammad Radi Rifani Laili. Kalian bisa panggil aku Radi atau Malam atau Naik, karena Laili itu artinya kalau di artian bahasa Indonesia malam ya, kalau bahasa Inggris Naik. Asal jangan panggil aku Laili aja ya. Nah, kemudian bagi kalian yang bahasa Inggris, bagi kalian yang orang Inggris gitu maksudnya, ya, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Radi Rifani Laili. You can call me Radi or Naik or Malam. And if you Japanese, Hajime mashite, watashi no namae wa watashi no Radi desu. Indonesia kara kimashita. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Kemudian bagi kalian yang bahasa Arab, orang Arab, ta'rifu an ismi Muhammad Radi Rifani Laili. Ahlan wa sahlan fi my channel. Nah, jadi pada video sebelumnya ya, aku udah ngerekord ini tentang quest story si Hutao. Judulnya aku lupa, nanti kita lihat. Jadi pada video sebelumnya itu kan ada kepenggal, aku nggak sengaja ya keikut. Sebenarnya aku mau ngikutin Sally di Liwe, lalu malah nggak sengaja masuk ke dalam quest story-nya si Hutao. Jadi ya aku record aja sekalian gitu. Nah, jadi di scan sebelumnya ya, scan pertama aku ketemu di Wuwang Hill, iyalah Wuwang Hill, sama anak buahnya si Hutao gitu, mau ngebasmi melakukan ritual pemakaman gitu untuk membasmi roh-roh jahat gitu. Roh jahat di ini Wuwang Hill enggak sih, yang ada domain yang kabut-kabut gitu ya. Nah, Wuwang Hill sini. Kemudian aku ketemu sama si Hutao sama anak buahnya, satu orang cowok. Kemudian dia ketemu sama aku, tiba-tiba ya dia takut, terkejut. Akunya sih enggak ya, si travelernya terkejut, tapi si Paimon juga terkejut. Kemudian ya cerita-cerita, maka aku dibawa, aku sama Paimon, traveler sama Paimon ngikutin si anak buahnya Hutao itu, dan voila, maka dimulailah quest story-nya, yakni ketemu sama si Hutao. Nah, ini jadi di situ kan aku sama si Hutao bicara-bicara gitu. Kemudian tiba-tiba nggak secara sepihak gitu, si Hutao ngejadiin traveler sama Paimon jadi asistennya, padahal kan nggak ada persetujuan. Tiba-tiba dibawa jadi asisten gitu. Padahal kan asistennya ada ya, si Babah Zhongli, tapi ya entah kok ngilang nih. Wow, step ngilang, ada di hantu. Nah, kemudian ya kalian bisa lihat aja storynya nanti di video sebelumnya, bagian di part 1/1. Kalau bagian 2 kan ya ini ada bagian enggak sih, kurang tahu aku. Nah, jadi kalian bisa lihat aja nanti keseluruhan ceritanya. Nah, yang lagi ini cewek. Nah, ini anak buahnya si Meng namanya ya. Nah, jadi itu ceritanya aku ketemu sama si Meng di Wuwang Hill. Aku kan traveler itu kan pengembara ya. Kemudian ya terkejut di tempat yang serem gitu, di tempat yang berkabut. Tiba-tiba ketemu kayak hantu ya kan, kalau di dunia nyata gitu ya. Kemudian ternyata si Ming ini sama si Huta lagi melakukan ritual untuk membasmi roh-roh jahat di Wuwang Hill tersebut. Dan secara sepihak tadi aku jadi anak buahnya si Hutao, jadi asistennya, dan voila, jadilah sampai di ini kenapa muncul lagi dasar di quest story saat ini. Nah, jadi kita diajak untuk bicara sama Meng kembali. Mari kita ikuti quest story-nya. Apa judulnya tadi? Quest story-nya kupu-kupu terbang menjauh bagian 1 kan. Nah, jadi chapter kedua, chapter 1 bagian 1, kemudian partnya ini part yang kedua, mengejar bayangan. Kalau yang sebelumnya aku ya lupa.
Mung, I'm back. I'm afraid we're still no closer to finding Big G.
Mang, I'm back. Mang, I'm back. Dikira apaan tadi? Aduh.
I see. Well, I'm just sorry for the
Nah,
trouble.
jadi di ceritanya ini si
I've
G
already
ini
searched in all
kayak
likely places.
apa ya, roh jahat gitu ya, mengikuti orang-orang. Kemudian si Huta ini lagi mencari si G ini untuk dibasmi.
Big G anyway?
Nah, si Big G.
I guess I should start at the beginning. My home was in the vicinity of Wuwang Hill. In my youth, I had a good many friends there. Big G was one of them. We were the best of friends. Inseparable, really. I've never forgotten. Too many memories, I suppose. I often return to Wuwang Hill. But recently, after one such visit, I started to feel strange. Now, every night, Big G appears in my dreams. I can't help but wonder, did I disturb him somehow?
Apa ya?
Perhaps. I don't have proof, but I can't stop worrying. I get more anxious every day. How would I ever come to terms with my childhood friend becoming an evil spirit?
That's why he joined Wangsheng Funeral Parlor. In place of a salary, I'm helping him deal with this matter. And in fact, what Meng has said is entirely plausible. Spirits on occasion do find a way into our world.
Oke.
But as for evil spirits, I think you're scaring yourself. Even I have only encountered malevolent forces a handful of times.
But are you sure there's no danger? I couldn't bear for him to go around harming people.
You see what I mean? Look at the state of him. If we can't find Big G, it'll eat away at Monk forever. Those people we found today were also Monk's childhood friends. I thought there was a good chance Big G might have hidden among them. But here we are, empty-handed.
Wuwang Hill, childhood friends? Seems like we're out of leads.
Sorry, excuse me. Is this Wangsheng Funeral Parlor?
Yes.
My name's Luo Chung. I've had this awful feeling recently, like something's staring at me.
Oke.
Some of my friends and I went to Wuwang Hill the other day on a dare. After I returned home, I fell ill. I've been having recurring nightmares, but the doctors can't find anything wrong with me. I
Okay.
think that
Tempelan
it's
gitu
a
ya.
curse, right? I've been cursed by a demon.
Ya, kamu
Say no more.
ketempelan.
There's no doubt it's a demonic curse, all right, and a serious one at that.
You believe so too? Then it's just like they say in the tales of old. The vengeful spirits of the gods who fell in the Archon War return to cast their evil
Anjay,
curses upon
arwah
mortals.
dewa nempel gitu.
And if the curse isn't lifted, it will burn through the body, laying waste to flesh and bone. Oh, what a wretched end! The symptoms I'm having are just like those described in the tales.
Wuwang Hill?
Kok ngelak dikit?
No, I don't think it was a curse. It was probably just Big G.
Hold your horses, both of you. There's no need to creep each other out.
Ya kayo no,
Isn't that exactly what you like to do, though?
Wangcheng Funeral Parlor specializes in demonic stuff like this, right? Help me! I beg you! I'm too young to die!
All right, all right. Don't
Eh, ngelak. Astagfirullahalazim. Hantam emang. Lah ngulang lagi. Begitulah ya kalau kita sebagai player yang menggunakan kuota
Mung,
tidak
I'm back.
jangan ngembek
I
ngembek kayak cepetan
Who is this
lah.
big
I guess,
Oke, I
Big G.
know.
I've never,
What is
but recently, I
Big
can't help
G?
but wonder,
Ya, fantasi.
Perhaps.
Oke.
how would I,
That's. But
but are you sure?
you see what I mean? Those people we found.
Wuwang Hill?
Luocang. Beneran Luocang namanya.
Sorry, excuse me.
Loka.
Is this Wangcheng? My name's Luo Chung. I've had
Luocang.
this awful. Some of my friends and I went to. I think
Say no more.
SR.
you believe so too. And if the curse isn't lifted, the symptoms I'm having are just.
Wuwang Hill?
Hold your horses, both of you. There's
SR.
no need to creep each other out.
Isn't that exactly what you like to do, though?
Ya, si Huta ini
Wangcheng
punya
Funeral
hobi
Parlor specializes in
suka
demonic stuff
apa
like
ya,
this, right? Help me! I beg you!
nakutin
I'm too young to die!
orang-orang gitu dengan cerita
All right, all right. Don't
horornya.
panic. Leave it to me.
So,
You've
kayak
come to the right
di-
person.
Ini kan
However, in order to lift the curse,
kemarin kan aku
we need a
maksudnya
suitable
lagi
location, and we
ngerjain
need to make
misi
some preparations.
cerita
Come with me, my trusty assistants.
Lantern
I'm
Ride
going to need your help.
yang 2024 ini. Kemudian kita
I
ketemu
guess I'll
sama
come
si
too.
Furina.
Help him make the
Di-
preparations first. The incense exorcism,
closing-
the one I taught you.
Fail ya
When you're ready,
di
come
map
and find
baru
me.
itu. Kemudian
Once
dia
we've finished with
dia
this,
cerita
we'll
sama
get
si
back to the Big G
Furina
matter.
tentang cerita horor gitu.
Okay, I
Jadi dia
guess.
hobi
Right.
takutin
Let's
atau
go.
membuat takut orang-orang. Mana? Pergi kemana? Pencabutan. Supaya
There's no such thing as
lebih
pure
kerasa
freedom
ya,
in this
lebih baik
world.
kita jalan kaki.
Behold!
Sebelumnya ganti dulu deh ya. Kalau pengen make gaming, coba deh pakai cookie aja. Lebih
Don't
mudah.
tell me they did it again.
Hyperbloom lebih mudah daripada apa? Api angin lah. Masalahnya kan kalau apa ini kan aku pakai bloom. Kemudian kalau pakai
Swallow of Fury.
siapa tadi? Gaming. Itu lebih mudah. 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 kan bomnya malah meledum dan aku yang kena. Kan gak lucu ya. Nah bukan, ceritanya kalau si Kokomi kita ganti sama si Kuki aja supaya ada healernya gitu, darahnya tetap ada. Nah mungkin beda cerita. Ini apa, Miss? Nah kayaknya kita akan berantem di sini karena ada kayak lain.
What mysterious rituals are you gonna perform here?
No ritual at all. We just need to kill some time. Wait, you didn't take all that vengeful god's curse stuff seriously, did you? They were eradicated ages ago. You saw those two. One thinks he's been cursed, and the other one believes his friends turned into an evil spirit. It's hard to reason with them. Now you see why I believe that ordinary folks should be kept in the dark. I've seen too many people lose their senses on account of things like this. If you want to calm them down, you need to convince them with something tangible. And the best way to do that is to make a great show of destroying the boogeyman they believe in before their very eyes.
Sounds like that might work. If you were trying to cheer up a 3-year-old.
Apakah tidak sebaiknya kita memberitahu mereka yang sebenarnya
You're
saja?
onto something. After all, we're only afraid of what we don't know.
Because you can't guarantee that telling an ignorant person the truth will improve the situation instead of exacerbating it. What I can do is pretend to pull back anyone who believes their time is nigh. But since the curse is imaginary, our fix will also be make-believe.
Makes sense. But why would anyone believe that it's a curse?
Do you know the history of the Yaksha?
Yes. Yaksa.
They once
Shao
fought against the
Yaksa?
ancient gods. They fought brilliantly in a battle that engulfed the whole world in darkness. Although the gods were defeated in the end, their resentment persevered. That resentment turned into a pestilence
Shao
spreading
kan,
amongst the ordinary folk.
kutukannya banyak
Hysteric
banget
people
gitu.
mistook it for the curse of the gods. The plague took the lives of many, which only furthered its spread, as the dead were a breeding ground
Makanya
for the
si Shao
disease.
menyendiri.
Then someone discovered how to
Nggak
prevent it from
terlalu
spreading.
suka di
Purify the
keramaian
air
supaya
and burn the bodies
kutukannya
of
itu
the
nggak
deceased.
menyebar gitu ya.
Pioneers of these practices were, you guessed it, the founders of the Wangsheng Funeral Parlor.
Paimon didn't see that coming. Really?
Yes. Anyway, it took many years, but eventually the plague was completely eradicated. We've dealt with similar phenomena multiple times throughout the ages. Each time we successfully restored the balance between life and death. To sum it up, we are gatekeepers, guarding the border for the sake of both the living and the dead. So when I say this curse is just a figment of the imagination, I say it with more certainty than most. But I also can't really go telling people that the ancient plagues were real, or it would incite panic. Anyway, let's wait a bit more and get ready for the show. This ley line monolith will make for a really great prop. You're finally here! We just finished our preparations.
Kayaknya emang
Now, look
berantem.
here. This device is used to drive away evil spirits. It'll absorb the curse inside you and cause it to take a physical
Yang
form.
aktif.
But don't
Kemudian
worry,
keluarlah
the
para
traveler here is a
musuh-musuh.
seasoned warrior and will assure our safety.
Iya,
Right.
aku yang
I
kena.
forgot to tell you. It'll be fine.
Jangan ketawa kau.
Will that really solve my problem?
Trust the director. She might look like a weirdo, but she's serious about everything she does.
Oke.
How can you call me a weirdo? I mean, wouldn't you say it's more charmingly naive or disarmingly different?
Polos dan unik. Baiklah.
Alright, let's get down to business. My glamorous assistant, please activate the
Anjing,
device.
disuruh nyalain sendiri, kelahi sendiri. Dasar.
Is it really possible to materialize the curse?
Hey! Rest and rebuild!
Ngalak. Ada ngalak.
I'm counting on you!
Berjuanglah, aku mengandalkanmu.
Unsightly insects!
Hold the line!
Udah gitu
How are you
aja.
feeling? Did the curse leave your body?
Yes, I feel more invigorated than ever before.
Anjir, kena
I'm cured.
dibedahin
I
pakai
can't
aja lu.
express how grateful I am for your and the Traveler's help. If it hadn't been for you, the curse would have taken my life.
Oke,
Great.
sama-sama.
In which
Baguslah
case,
kau
I
kena
guess now I can tell
bedahin.
you. You've been pranked!
Anjir,
What?
dia yang buat rencana,
This
dia
exorcism
pula
device,
yang
People
bongkar.
like you wouldn't recognize
Jadi
it,
buat
but
apa
it's just an old
sebenarnya
ley line monolith
rencana
deceptively effective at
ini?
attracting monsters.
Antam.
And those were real monsters, not a manifestation of your curse. So riddle me this. If I didn't do anything to lift the curse, then what's the cause of your sudden recovery?
Ya,
The curse wasn't real?
ya,
Then why was I sick?
ya mungkin
Well,
itu
you
karena
caught a
masuk
cold,
angin.
ate something
Ya,
bad,
flu
or
masuk
just
angin,
scared
antam.
yourself sick. It's anyone's guess, but I'm leaning towards the last option. Wouldn't be the first time in my career.
How unexpected.
I also didn't expect
Aku juga
that,
tidak
but
menyangka
still,
kalau
I'd like to thank
ternyata
you.
si Huta bisa
Don't mention
berpikiran.
it. I found a way to deal with your fears this time, but I
Masuk
can't do it
akal
over
juga.
and over again. So
Gitu
I'd
sama
appreciate
dia,
it if
ya.
you try not to give in to
Nawarkan
superstitions in the future.
Jasa apa
Human life is short.
pemakaman ke
Enjoy it
orang yang
while
masih
it
hidup
lasts.
gitu kan.
Wow.
Ini jalan kurang normal ternyata dia
What a weird thing to
masih
say.
bisa berpikir dengan
I
normal.
shall head back. I'm sorry for troubling you.
I feel relieved to see that it wasn't Big G's doing. However, unless he crosses the border, there will be no end to his antics. Since we are done with the matter at hand, can we resume our search for Big G?
Big G
I believe that
kurasa
won't be
tidak
needed.
nyata.
He found us first.
Big G?
Apa? Beneran? Mana?
I didn't mean to bother you. Any of you.
Beneran? Ada arwah.
This is Big G? He's just a child?
Jadi Big G mana?
Well, he is a
Itu
spirit.
besar gitu.
Quite normal that he looks just like he did when he left this world.
That's not what Paimon imagined when Paimon first heard the name Big G.
Ya,
Let's bring him back
Indeed.
to Wangsheng Funeral Parlor.
G.
We have much
Ternyata
to
dia
do.
seorang anak kecil. Istri. Nah, kemudian part 2 nya selesai. Jadi tadi bicara sama Big G nya sedikit gitu aja. Yang benar. Lah. Kenapa jadi begitu?
Everyone hold hands.
Bakal tangan. Baiklah, kita kembali ke Wangsheng Funeral Parlor. Antar gitu aja, jauh-jauh gitu aja. Mana mereka ngikutin lagi. Dikira tadi mau berduaan sama si Hutao aja, mereka ngikutin juga. Dan cuma kelahi, cuman ketemu si Big G sepatah dua patah kata udah pulang. Jadi gimana cerita Big G nya dibawa pulang, keluar ke tengah kota Big G nya atau gimana? Ya belum, nanti aja.
Behold!
Supaya cepet.
Too slow.
Sistem. Gua aja yang kecepatan antam.
After all that's happened, Paimon's not even sure what's going on anymore.
Beneran Big J-nya dibawa pulang? Dibawa ke kota.
Actually, I'm not surprised in the slightest. Remember what I said? There's only so many evil spirits in this world. It was a twist of fate that made him leave Wuwang Hill in the first place. Now for some reason he can't go back.
Jadi dia arwah yang tersesat gitu.
Sounds a bit far-fetched to Paimon.
Actually, she pretty much summed it up.
Don't ever question my professional instincts.
I just wanted to check up on my friends.
Okay,
That's
kalau
why I
ada
came to
aslinya.
Liyue Harbor. I promise I wasn't up to any mischief. I never wanted to scare anyone.
Lu itu sudah meninggoy, beda dunia, alam, kenapa masih pengen ketemu
I followed one of them back
teman-teman
and ended up
lu?
here.
Hiduplah dengan damai di alam sana.
It must have been poor Lo Chung that you
Aduh,
followed. Maybe he didn't
arwah.
notice you, but he could still feel your presence. Now we know what caused his nightmares.
I was discovered?
Well, I assume so, otherwise he wouldn't have been scared half to death.
Bentar ya, ada panggilan. Nanti ya sekitar 5 menit lah ya. Hello everyone, I am back. Oke, ini tadi lagi bincang sama si Big G ya. Sepertinya begitu, kalau tidak dia tidak akan ditakutin setengah mati. Kenapa kamu tidak langsung mencari Mengs aja?
Hu and Meng were searching for you all over the place.
Ya,
Oh, that's because I couldn't find them. It's my first time in Liyue Harbor, and I got lost in the city.
oke. Jadi mereka
Now that you mention it, Big G always had a poor sense of direction. When we were kids, he'd never go down the hill by himself. We always had to lead him.
So, all of this was just because you got lost? Why didn't you just fly? Like any other ghost or spirit? Don't you think it's much easier to find your way from up above?
I can't. It's too high for me. I'd get scared.
That's right, yes! He used to be so afraid of heights that he wouldn't even so much as look down the hill.
oh, jadi walaupun dia sudah
You haven't
meninggal
changed a bit.
berpuluh tahun gitu, tapi mentalnya masih anak kecil gitu ya.
I knew I wasn't supposed to show myself to the living, and with so many people walking around Liyue Harbor, my only choice was to hide.
Jadi dia
I wouldn't have found you
sembunyi.
if it weren't for the Leyline Monolith's call.
I'm so relieved that you haven't become an evil spirit.
Like I said, don't ever doubt my professional instincts. Now, all we have to do is escort this lost child back to Wuang Hill, and we should be done and dust to dusted.
Oke.
But he just said he wanted to visit his friends. Apart from me, there's also Little Wu, Mumu, and Songze.
Little Wu,
Well,
Mumu, dan Zi.
If that's the case, we can't let him down. We'll ask them all to help us prepare a farewell ceremony for Big G. Meng and I will escort Big G back to Wuang Hill. You meet with those three and ask them for keepsakes to symbolize each one of them during the ritual, then come and find us.
They're all friends. Can't we just go there all together? Or maybe we can take Big G to them.
That's not a good idea. I don't want to scare them.
I wouldn't want ordinary folks to become superstitious. The less they know, the better.
Oke.
So be careful what you say when you collect the keepsakes.
Oke, jadi si Huta mengantarkan si Big G ke Wuang
Are we
Hill.
really going with Hu Tao's plan?
Kemudian kita
At least by keeping things low key, we won't be giving anyone nightmares.
yang apa? Jadi mengantar pesan. Apakah Little Wu benar-benar Little ataukah Little Wu bukanlah Little Wu? Oh, Jadi mereka ini yang didatangi oleh siapa? Aku tahu sama kita sebelumnya itu teman-temannya si Big G.
Hi! Do you remember us?
Oh, you. Sorry, I won't be needing the funeral parlor's
Thank
services
you
anytime
for remember
soon.
us. Terima kasih telah mengingat kami.
Yes, we grew up together. We still keep in touch even now. I don't know why he started working for Wangsheng Funeral Parlor. To be honest, I find their director to be quite peculiar.
Ya,
But he must have had his reasons. He's on his own now, after all. And he still can't get over what happened to Big G. Did he tell you about it?
seharusnya kan Big G
Yeah,
kayak
he
si
did.
Little Meng ini ya, Big kan?
If you could pick one thing to
Besar
give
gitu.
to Big G as a keepsake,
Ternyata dia
what would you
kewijitan.
choose? Just, you know,
Masih anak
theoretically speaking. We're just being hypothetical here. Definitely not gonna actually go commemorate him or anything.
I'd cook something for him. Oh, he could eat spicy food like no other. His favorite meal was extra spicy Jueyun chili chicken.
Wow.
I can make it for you if you bring me some Jueyun chilies. I'm sure he'd appreciate the flavor of his childhood years. I still use that old recipe.
Deal! Just give us a minute.
Jueyun chilies are a common sight in Liu. I can rustle that dish up in no time if you help me find some.
Yes, I have yung chili. What? Udah mau habis. Maka nanti kita farming di village. Apa itu?
Great, this should be enough.
Yo.
I'll get started on the Jueyun chili chicken. I guess you've got other folks to track down? When everyone's ready, I'll get the dish over to you.
Seharusnya kan kalian yang juga ikut supaya bisa
How do you know
ketemu.
about the others?
Hah? Iya ya. Oh, dia tahu kalau
Come and see these rare and precious
kita
Squall and Fury.
mencari teman-temannya yang lain. Bentar-bentar, ini grafiknya agak mengganggu. Jadi kita ubah dulu ke sudah ya. Apakah perlu kita ubah jadi yang tinggi? Tapi untuk motion blurnya aku nggak biasa, jadi aku matiin aja ya.
There's no need to exchange. The wind rises.
Kemarin tuh sebenarnya bisa aja ini quest story-nya aku selesaiin, tapi kan itu kebetulan aku
Not
itu
you
malam.
again. I told you, I'm
Dia
not
agak
interested in the
ngantuk,
inner
jadi aku
workings of
pisah
Wangsheng
aja.
Funeral
Jadi
Parlor.
aku lanjutin ini
Mike tells us
spesialnya.
about you. You're good friends, right?
That's true, yes. Come to think of it, I remember he did join Wangsheng Funeral Parlor recently. It didn't take long for his good friends to figure out why. The Big G incident. But I know there's nothing we can say to help him get over it. Letting go of the past is a painful process. I would know. So, is Big G the reason you're here to see me?
Yes.
How did you know? We didn't even say anything.
I'm a businessman. I've got a sixth sense for this kind of thing. Everyone hears the name Moo Moo and thinks I must be dim-witted. I never heard the end of it when I set up shop. But I'd say I proved a few people wrong. Here, take this. It's a top-of-the-line toy box we all dreamed of owning as kids. Back then, none of us could afford it. We were penniless.
Wow,
Today,
Momo, baik
business is
sekali
booming.
dia
I ended up buying loads of
menyimpan
these.
kotak mainan
It was a dream come true.
masa kecil
You must
mereka
be
yang
like
ingin mereka
super
miliki.
For me, it's a memento of a childhood long gone. Without it, we wouldn't be where we are today.
Yes.
So, having found me, I guess you'll be looking for Little Wu and Songza next.
We already saw Little Woo. Now we gotta find Songza.
I see. If it's Songza you're after, let's meet at the overpass at Feiyun Slope. It's just above the staircase leading down to the dock. I've got an errand to run. I'll come find you as soon as I'm done.
Oke. Songze. Where are you, Songze? Kemarin si Songze itu di bawah sini. Di bawah sini. Kemudian dia pindah ke atas. Buat ngapain? Kadang aku lupa di mana letak apa tangga mountain mountainnya ini. Ya, kadang jadi ya sana kemari cari tangganya ya tiba kan pengen cepet ya manjat aja gitu. Ini kah? Oh, mereka bertiga sudah ngumpul.
You're all here.
Reminiscing about old times, thinking back to past events. We've been at it for years.
Our hometown was completely destroyed in a disaster, so we've got nowhere to go back to. Now, home is wherever friends are.
Okay.
They've just been telling me you're looking for keepsakes. I make artisan Sao lanterns down by Liyue Harbor. I guess they represent me better than anything. A few days ago, I bought some quality Plostrite shards. They're currently all in the warehouse at the dock.
Okay.
I've already spoken to the manager. Could I ask you to retrieve them for me?
Yes.
Seems like you already know what's going on. Be back in a jiffy.
Jadi babu Antam, kenapa nggak dibawa sekalian? Malahan aing jadi babu. Ini kenapa nggak bisa dipencet tadi? Untung nggak meninggoy. Astagfirullahaladzim. Jauh bet. Mana sih? Antam lah.
Stand with me!
Behold! Upon the gale!
Kita latihan pintas. Ada si Adeptus.
Hi! We're here to pick up the Plostrite shards for Sansa!
I think she mentioned it. Yes, here you are on the register. No problem. The Plostrite shards are over in that crate there. Please, help yourselves. Hey, who's that skulking around?
Doesn't seem like they're here. Let's look someplace else. Doesn't seem like they're here. Let's look someplace else. These look like what Sansa was talking about. Let's head back.
Way to set my dreams on the wind.
Who's that skulking around?
Squall and Fury!
New year, brings new perspectives.
My thanks to both of you. This looks like great stuff. Please, wait a moment. This is the final step. Okay, there we go. I wrote all 5 of our names inside the lantern. You know, during the annual lantern rite, we all release a lantern like this.
Okay.
No matter what the days may bring, whichever roads we choose to take, while this
Mana
rite
kebetulan
remains
lantern
observed,
right lagi ya.
each of us remains
Wow,
the same.
kebetulan.
As for the matter of Big G, the 3 of us have discussed amongst ourselves and agreed we won't press you on it.
Yeah.
But if you get the chance, please let them know we're doing well. And that the things we once spoke of, they've all come to pass.
Thank you. We'll pass it on. Big G is lucky to have friends like you.
Oh, jadi sedih.
We got everything we need. Let's go to Wulong Hill and find Hu-Tao and the others.
Jadi kita cuman jadi kurirnya aja, dikira juga bawa teman-temannya ini ke Wulong Hill. Kok kayak jadi sedih ya storynya. Di Lantern Red kemarin kan juga kisah apa ya, kisah menyatunya ayah dan anak, si Gaming sama bapaknya. Salah teleport antam, ternyata di bawah, dikira di atas. Ini kisah si itu lagi, sedih.
The wind rises!
Kok ceritanya sedih-sedih. Yuk. Itu dia mereka. Punten.
Oh, you're back already? Sooner than I expected. You didn't go spilling the beans, did you, Paimon?
Does Paimon look that unreliable?
I'm kidding. Anyway, looks like they were willing to hand over some keepsakes, so I guess they knew the deal. Nevertheless, when it comes to things like ghosts and ghouls, spirits and souls, the one thing everyone knows is you never know what to expect. Which explains why they were reluctant to pry and find out the full story. Which is just as well, because if they had attempted to, it would have been too much for me to deal with. Guard the border between life and death. This is Wangsheng Funeral Parlor's most important responsibility, and I'm stricter than most.
So what about us? Does it matter if we cross the border?
Of course not. After all, you were caught up in all this already, just like Meng. It's not the end of the world if you catch a glimpse behind the curtain. And where we're going, don't be surprised at what you may see or what may occur. All of it exists within the border between the living and the dead. An ordinary place, really. The only special thing about it is that nobody really knows about it.
What?
Whatever you do, don't get all worked up over nothing, okay? Or else by the time we're out, I'll have to erase your memories. So listen to everything I say. Let's go.
Pergi kemana?
I'm unscared.
Ya, aku juga jadi takut.
Like Hu says, we're already caught up in this. We better see it through to the end.
Ini apa? Domain. Ceknya iya. Apakah aku sudah siap? Baiklah. P71 pakai api. Kalau gitu kita ganti si Kokomi. Perlukah kita memakai ini guys? Kita pakai gaming. Kita pakai si Genpei. Jadi bingung. Ya udah gaming aja lah ya. Gaming kan ya cocok kalau sama Kuki. Si gaming konsumsi darah, skillnya, dan si Kuki nge-heal. Kalau pakai Hutau kan ya agak berlawanan ya. Kalau si Hutau kan semakin dikit darahnya semakin sakit. Tapi ada tapinya. Kalau nggak di-heal, si Hutau bakal metong juga akhirnya karena darahnya habis. Oh iya. Jadi si Hutaunya gratis apa real. Bentar, artefaknya nggak ada. Artefaknya dipakai. Sebenarnya aku nggak begitu ngerti nyusun artefak ya, tapi menurut kalau ya artefaknya ungu kuning apalagi ya sesuai standar ya, apalagi kalau ya cocok-cocok aja ya aku anggap bagus-bagus aja gitu.
Close to death, but not like the hell or underworld from the tales of old. This is just a place where the ley lines tend to go a little bit haywire. So keep your cool. Follow me. The farewell ceremony site is just up ahead.
Upacara perpisahan. Ini apa? Alam barzah kah ceritanya? Bagaimana?
Looks familiar.
From the right angle, you can make out the whole thing.
Oh, just like last time.
Gini. Ayun jadi gugup. Terkejut.
I see everything.
Oh, jadi cuman
Congratulations!
ayah. Dasar hayah.
Everyone hold hands.
Many happy returns!
Bentar. Minggoy. Minggoy kan. Hehehehe. Aduh.
Time to go. Huh?
Ya begitulah. Untungnya aku nggak begitu bisa.
This place doesn't feel
Oke,
at peace.
atau
That's why it's named the border. You can't just cross whenever you please. You need to have a little, how do people normally put it, pomp and ceremony?
I'm pretty sure that's not how people put it. Hey,
Fire, pants on fire!
bentar, kita heal dulu sih. Oke, sudah kan katanya kalau katanya di bawah setengah.
By the way, I imagine Adventurers Guild members are good at making order of things. See if you can find a way to get the right things into the right places. Usually it requires a bit of destruction as well as elemental reactions. On your marks.
you talking to us?
Bentar, ini gimana tadi maksudnya?
Stop it now!
Oke. Jadi kita disuruh turun. Tuh kah? Ada peti.
I see everything. Do mom. Make yourselves a home.
Mighty mythical
Mau banget kan. Berulah lagi.
Congratulations! Alley-oop! Ta!
Hey!
Ayan, datang tiba-tiba. Ya, kemana?
Wretched vermin!
Bakal.
This looks the same, but there aren't enough. So confusing. Let's have a look around. Or up ahead.
Ini disuruhnya ke sini buat ngapain? I not understand. Mengapa putar lagi? Aduh. Ya, begitulah. Ini cuacanya lagi mendung, mau hujan, jaringannya jadi lag, lelet. Jadi kita harus penuh dengan kesabaran menyelesaikan kuesi. Siapa tahu ini. Ini kemana?
Congratulations!
What is that? Kemana nih? Balik.
Huh? Isn't this where we just were before?
Hah?
Sorry, pal.
Our bond is strong.
Aku kurang ngerti maksudnya ini kemana. Masih nggak paham deh.